Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making Bluestacks stable. Enable virtualization in BIOS, then assign 4+ GB RAM and 2+ CPU cores inside Bluestacks settings so performance stays smooth. Once done, sign into Google and install Alight Motion via Play Store or sideload the APK to avoid region blocks. Make sure Bluestacks uses a high-performance graphics mode. This reduces frame drops during editing. Now launch Alight Motion for the first time and grant storage and media permissions so you can import assets. You create the project next. Pick resolution and FPS, 1920x 1080 at 30 or 60 FPS depending on final use, because that determines export size and smoothness. Then import footage and images, drag them onto the timeline, and organize with groups and labeled layers for easier editing. Once your timeline grows, enable hardware acceleration and render cache in Bluestacks to prevent lag. Make sure Alight Motion's color profile matches your target output to avoid hue shifts. This optimizes playback and keeps key. You finish by exporting with the right format and bitrate. Choose MP4 with H, 264 for general delivery, set bitrate to balance size versus quality, and confirm audio sync before rendering. After export, move the file using Bluestacks shared folder or ADB pull to your PC. If you see crashes or frozen previews, clear Alight Motion cache and lower preview quality, then recheck Bluestacks memory allocation. If problems persist, reinstall the APK. That usually fixes corrupted installs or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.